And today I'm going to be reacting to Shannon's Daybreak Rain music video. Now anyways, let's go on ahead and get into this reaction. Oh, she's stepping out the car. Yes, girl. Love the outfit, by the way. Her voice is so beautiful. She grew up too, let me just tell you. This is really beautiful, let me just say. Wow. That's beautiful. Makeup on point, girl, let me just say that. The dancing is very interesting. I love the look though. I'm sorry, I have to comment about that. The look is awesome. Love the whole... Shannon! This is beautiful. I don't think she'll ever watch this, but this is good. I know you're coming back. Yes. Oh, she got her backup dancers. This was beautiful. Awesome! That was awesome! Oh my gosh. That was so beautiful. Okay guys, that was beautiful. Let me just say, okay, girl, you killed it. Let me just say, wow. It was so heartfelt and it felt like it had a lot of soul and meaning into it. Excuse me, but yeah, I just loved it. I loved the outfit. The rain in the beginning was very dramatic. I really liked that. But girl, let me tell you, she grew up. I'm saying, like, she looks really good. She looks very pretty. The song was very beautiful. It was nice. But anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed my reaction. I know it's been a long time since I actually did a reaction on this channel. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll have a lot of cool videos coming up. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye!